Your first 100 real fans. What to do step by step. You do not need a million fans. You do not need to go viral. You do not need industry permission. What you actually need is your first 100 real fans. Because 100 real fans will do more for your career than 10,000 passive listeners ever will. And most musicians don't realize this until they burn out chasing numbers that don't convert. Here's why real fans matter. Real fans show up. They share. They comment. They buy. They care. They don't just listen once. They come back. They don't just scroll past. They stay. And most musicians never build this on purpose. They just post and hope. That's the problem. So let's fix it. Step 1. Choose one platform. Not 3, not 5, 1. Because spreading yourself thin kills consistency. Ask yourself this: where does your audience already hang out? Instagram, TikTok, YouTube? Pick the one that fits your style and commit to showing up there consistently. Not perfectly, consistently. That means short-form content, behind-the-scenes clips, studio moments, practice sessions, stories, not just finished songs. People connect with process before they connect with polish. Step 2. Stop broadcasting and start connecting. Your first fans will not come from mass posting. They come from conversations. Reply to comments. Respond to DMs. Leave real comments on other musicians' posts. Support creators in your niche. Not copy and paste spam. Real interaction. This is how communities actually start. This is how people remember you. Step 3. Give people a reason to stay. If someone finds you today, what happens next? Do they follow and disappear? Or do they get pulled deeper? Behind-the-scenes content, early demos, exclusive clips, live sessions, personal stories. Give people a reason to stick around. Give them access. Now here's the part most musicians skip. Do this every day. Not when motivation hits. Not when inspiration strikes. Not only when you release music. Daily small actions compound fast. 10 minutes of engagement every single day beats one big push every few months. That's how momentum is built. Slow at first, then suddenly fast. And once you hit 100 real fans, everything changes. Engagement goes up. Algorithms respond. Opportunities start appearing. Not because you got lucky, but because you built something real. If you want to grow your music career the smart way, not the hype way, subscribe to this channel. We break down real systems, real strategy, and real momentum. No fluff. I'll see you in the next one.